If you're a practice owner or an intake coordinator, you've probably tracked new client leads in a spreadsheet. It works until your practice starts growing and the spreadsheet gets messy and the connections start to break and leads start falling through the cracks. That's where a visual sales pipeline changes everything. Unlike a static spreadsheet, a pipeline is an interactive, real-time tool that shows you exactly where and when to act with your client leads so you can close those client leads more quickly. In this video, I'm going to share 3 reasons why a CRM like TheraSaaS with a built-in visual pipeline beats spreadsheets for tracking and closing client leads. And just to be clear here in our definitions, a CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. A CRM is not an EHR. An EHR manages billing and scheduling for your practice, while a CRM manages client leads and following up with those client leads. It's a place where you can centralize your sales and marketing efforts. All right, the first reason why having a visual pipeline beats a spreadsheet any day of the week, it provides clarity for a busy practice. Spreadsheets list names, phone numbers, and comments, but it's easy for client leads to get lost in the cells and in the columns. TheraSaaS has a visual pipeline that shows you exactly where every client lead is on their journey. When a client lead fills out a TheraSaaS form, let's say that TheraSaaS form is on your website, a client lead opportunity card is created and is put into a visual pipeline. And these stages are 100% customizable to the system that you want to use. Instead of scanning rows and columns in a spreadsheet, you instantly see how many clients are in each stage. A visual pipeline shows the intake coordinator or the practice owner where to act, which client leads to focus on next, rather just staring at a bunch of data points. And here's the thing, it's not uncommon for intake coordinators to take vacation or maybe even step down from their position. But with a visual pipeline, the practice owner or someone else on your clinical team can quickly jump in and pick up where the intake coordinator left off. Okay, my second point, a visual pipeline is better for transparency than a spreadsheet. Here's what I mean. In a group practice with multiple admin staff, spreadsheets get messy fast. Who's responsible for which lead and who followed up last? And did anyone update the notes from that last conversation you had with that client lead? With TheraSaaS, your team gets a unified inbox, so you can centralize text messages, phone numbers, emails, all in one place, so everyone sees the most recent conversation and the complete history of that conversation. In addition to having a unified inbox, there's a dedicated notes section inside that contact card where you can leave updates for your team to be able to review. Let's say you've had a recent conversation with that client lead, and then you can update that section with notes, and then that way everyone's on the same page. Instead of a confusing spreadsheet with multiple people editing it at once, TheraSaaS gives your intake team and practice owner full transparency and streamlined collaboration with the unified inbox and being able to leave notes. And for my third point, why a visual pipeline beats a spreadsheet when it comes to tracking leads, is now that practice owners can forecast growth with confidence. When a client lead schedules with your practice, that information you're going to go ahead and put inside your EHR. And from there, you can go to the dashboard section inside TheraSaaS, and that's going to give you historical data and real-time analytics. You can instantly see how many converted within a particular time frame that you can select, and that's going to allow you to help forecast your caseload growth and also spot bottlenecks that might be happening throughout the year. In a spreadsheet, this would take complex formulas and manual updates. But with TheraSaaS, it's done automatically for you. So within a few clicks of a button, you can see the health of your practice as it relates to your sales and marketing. At the end of the day, a visual pipeline gives you peace of mind. You'll always know the health of your sales and marketing in your practice without worrying if someone's slipping through the cracks. And it's not just about efficiency. It lowers stress for your intake team and helps practice owners sleep a little bit better at night, knowing there's a system in place that's transparent and reliable. So if you're ready to stop having client leads fall through the cracks so you can start filling caseloads, it's time to ditch the Google spreadsheet or the Excel spreadsheet and move to a visual pipeline like you can see inside of TheraSaaS. Reach out today for a TheraSaaS demo to see if it's a good fit for your practice. And if you would like to see how TheraSaaS can save you hundreds of dollars each month, click on this video here and watch it. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.